Of course. Of course. Yeah, this is what we have here. No bathrooms. Isn't this funny? Oh my God. It is so hilarious to do this. A public park with no bathrooms open. And here it is. It's just, what, October? You know? I guess this is full of garbage too, but they're worried about the dumpster over there. Yeah, so we have no bathrooms down here. Yeah, this is all filled with garbage. But we're not worried about that, huh? No. But we got no bathrooms here. But they want us to be so thrilled about this tugboat. I don't know about you, but I'm not that thrilled. I'd rather have a bathroom. Who's going to come down here and walk the park when you don't have a restroom? Oh, that's right. Everybody has a car. Yeah, everybody has a car. Yep. Everything's closed up because they decide that they're the only ones that are going to use the park, and when they're done with their little gangbang parties, everybody else can just, I don't know, go somewhere else because the park is closed. Yep, no bathrooms. I didn't think so, but I'll show you a little bit here and there. So these are the steps. Yeah, that's what happens. They just start rotting away, brand new. But hey, it's not a big deal to replace steps, right? We just got a little bad cement, I was told. I'll show you other things, but, after not being able to go to the bathroom and not sleeping and still being wet and cold, it gets to be a little hard to fucking pursue a career. So, yeah, that's what we're doing today. While everybody else gets to, go to their jobs and do their thing and live their life. Be safe, guys.